So S3 object lock has retention holds and legal holds. Let's first talk about retention holds. And it actually has two modes within it. We have governance and compliance. The previous screenshot in the previous slide was showing for governance, but let's talk about the difference between these two. So for compliance, it is a protected object that cannot be overridden or deleted by any user, including the root user. The lock period cannot be changed or shortened. It ensures object version integrity throughout the retention period. Deleting an object in compliance mode requires deleting the associated AWS account, so it's really hard to get rid of that object once it is locked. For governance mode, if it's protected, it cannot be modified or deleted without special permissions. The lock period can be changed or shortened or removed by special users. It can be used for testing retention settings before enabling compliance mode. So if you aren't ready for compliance mode, go ahead and use governance mode, as it is a more flexible version, as we will say there. There are special permissions needed to override the lock settings in governance mode, because governance mode allows you to override and to change things. You'll need to have the S3 bypass governance retention on. You need to pass along that request header. If you're using the AWS CLI, it's going to automatically add that header in there for you. You can use the AWS S3 API put object retention, and that's going to change the lock settings there. So yeah, just remember that compliance mode, totally locked. The only way to to delete that object is to delete that AWS account, and this one gives you more flexibility. Okay.